As agents and brokers, it's critical right now that we're remargining our businesses. It's critical that we're managing expenses so that we can predict a profit. See, we can work our way to revenue, but we must expense manage our way to profits. So what do I mean by that? If you make $1, you need to know where every portion of that dollar goes. A couple of resources I'd recommend. The first is The Profit First Model by Michael Michalowicz. It's a great book. So every dollar you make, you pay yourself off the top. You fund your tax account, and operations actually has to fit in what's left. That's reverse, that's opposite of how we've been taught to manage finances. If you took an accounting class in college, and the way most of us think about budgeting and accounting is, we take revenue minus expenses equals profit. The problem with that is, in a shifted market, there may not be much left in profits if we don't change our expenses and we don't change our spending habits. In a shifted market, the number of units and the number of sides and the number of volume and the amount of revenue that you may produce, guys, that's likely to change. But something that hasn't changed are your financial obligations every month. Your financial goals likely haven't changed. Your bills likely haven't changed. I hope you don't have to change your payroll and the salaries that you're committed to and the lives you're able to invest in. So in order to maintain those commitments and continue moving toward your financial goals and to continue being able to thrive and save and meet our financial obligations, we've got to protect every dollar that we make. That's why we say you can work your way to revenue, but you expense manage your way to profits. So you would take your desired profit margin from every dollar off the top and you'd pay yourself in a profit account. And then you would take your taxes and you'd save for taxes so you don't get disrupted at the end of the year. And then the business has to operate in the true budgeted operational percentage, the true budgeted operations budget. The percentage of every dollar that's left over is what the business has to operate on. That's going to make you a leaner business. It's going to make you a more efficient business. It's going to make you a more profitable business.